Mark here, building the Bruce, and I just want to say hello from the cold Bruce Peninsula. It's January the 4th, and we're currently sitting at about -9 degrees Celsius, and that's around 15 degrees for all my American friends out there. We started the day off by dropping another maple tree, a pretty good size, and that went great. And then we thought we'd come over here and have some lunch and get a fire going. So that's what we've been doing. Just kind of figuring out the rest of the day, what we're going to do from here. So I am more than happy with how the tree cutting went. And I had some help. You'll see some help in the videos. And got some different views this time. So we've added a drone to the mix for the camera footage. So hopefully, as we go forward, that'll make things a little bit more interesting in some of the shots. But I am so happy that we were able to make it up here and have a great trip. Today is by far the coldest, but also the nicest day. We had some high pressure come in last night and a little bit of snow. But for the most part today, the skies have been clear and the sun's been out. So I just wanted to say thanks for watching and following along. We certainly appreciate all the people who have subscribed. The comments are great for the most part. If you're new to the channel, there's lots of videos we've been putting out about what we're doing up here in the Bruce Peninsula and what our plans are. And we're already thinking about more videos coming up, what we're going to be doing. So it's going to be great now that we got the drone. It's going to make it a lot more exciting, I think. Lots of trees to drop, splitting, chipping, and hopefully, before too long, we're going to get the shovels in the ground. I can say that we did make some progress. We had about, I am estimating anywhere from 80 to 120 tons of additional gravel brought in the last couple of weeks. So we have expanded our parking area. We're getting ready for a spot for a small trailer and probably a sea container for some storage for tools and equipment. So we're making progress, we're moving ahead, and hopefully 2024 is going to be another great year. So thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it and helping to grow the channel. And have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one.